In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update X app or Twitter app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And to get the latest X app version, first off you need to open up App Store. After that, top right here to go to search. Then top at the very top and the search box. And then just type in X just like that. That's how we can easily find X app. Here it is now. First off you need to enter it. As you can see here, we have these bottom which says update. In order to update the app, you need to tap on it and wait for the process to complete. If right here it displays you the open button, it means that you have already have the latest operation installed on your device. Basically, guys, that's it. Save this video is helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button